So SDC is a special machine builder as well as a systems integrator. Our business is creating something new and special and different almost on every project. We serve the medical device community. We began working with this new customer that specializes in microassembly. This current project was a good fit for SDC because it built upon our expertise on how to handle these little tiny miniature parts. Some of the parts were only 1/10 of a millimeter big. So small that you can't see them with your naked eyes.
So this process was done completely manually, and due to the nature of the very small parts, it was very difficult for them to assemble. So we had the opportunity to automate the process and reduce the cycle time and improve the yield. The Microscopic was a pretty easy decision. It's the only robot in the field that can deal with the precision and repeatability that we needed.
It needed the 6-axis capability. It needed to be physically small, so the Microscopic fit well for this application. More importantly, the Microscopic robot is capable of making very small, precise moves.
This robot and the programming we've done has allowed us to repeatedly move that robot to 1 to 2 micron accuracy and repeatability. This project was very successful. We lowered our cycle time significantly from when we started, and we're running at efficiency levels well over 99%. We use lots of different robot brands here at SDC, but none of them can compete with the repeatability and the accuracy of the Microscopics. And in this case, it was a no-brainer. We had to have it. I don't think we could have done this project with any other brand.